All right.
Hi, Keith here, Valley GMC. Today we're looking at the GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, and one of my favorite features today I'm going to show you right here is the massaging seats available for you. These buttons right here, this is your normal 6-way power adjuster and your back support adjuster as well. But to turn the system on, you push this button right here. This button right here, this is a dial that you pull back when you're driving, and that'll give you your select once you're inside the menu. And this is how you navigate through the menu with this 4-button push system right here. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, so now we're back in the truck. To activate the system, we're just going to pull back on the dial tab, and that's bring the system up here for us. Once we're in here, we navigate using the 4-button system, and it's pretty intuitive. The buttons from side to side are going to push in and out for you. Okay, then from need, we move on to wave, and it just adjusts the pressure points that come out for you. So you just rest back and see what you like best. Another mode is relief. This one will apply pressure for you. Kind of intense a little bit, and then it'll release it all, and then it'll reapply and go back and forth, which I really like. Then we scroll down to glide. We'll try it again. Too slow. Then we just scroll down to glide here, and you can see it's going to go up one side and then down the other, just moving back and forth. And then there's roll, which will go up and down all the way from the bottom to the top and back again. And the beauty is not only the driver gets to enjoy it, but the passenger does as well. Same system, just works a little bit backwards, but it's very intuitive and you'll figure it out. Come on down and enjoy it.